If you're looking for a side hustle, a real way to make money online, and something you can do working from home, this might be worth listening to. You do not need to sign up. You don't need to pay anything. This is straightforward. My name is Scott Murr. I'm the founder and CEO of a software company called RenewAlert. We pay one-time referral fees for businesses that are introduced to us and become customers. So here's how it works. If you refer a business to RenewAlert and they become a customer, we pay you a one-time referral fee after they've been active and paying for 3 months. So this is not an ongoing commission. It's a single payout per referred customer. The full referral schedule is on our website. What does RenewAlert do? It's a simple, affordable tool businesses use to track subscriptions, contracts, leases, permits, and critical operational tasks. Think of it as a smart to-do list for businesses so nothing gets missed. We also have a home and family plan, but referral fees only apply to commercial business accounts. Now here's the easiest way to find referrals. Start with where you work. How does your company track subscriptions, contracts, or leases today? Do they have multiple locations or departments? The more subscriptions they purchase, the higher your one-time referral payment. You are not selling anything. All you're doing is introducing us to the right person. You can also ask friends and families about their employers, schools, medical offices, franchises, professional firms. RenewAlert works across businesses and industries of all sizes. To give you real numbers, if a business signs up for 3 subscriptions, you earn $200 as a one-time referral fee. If they sign up for 21 subscriptions, that's $750. If a company signs up with locations across the country and they have 100 subscriptions, that's a $3,000 finder's fee. Some of our referral partners treat this as a side hustle. Others use it as a flexible way to make money working from home. There's no boss, no schedule, no cap on how many referrals you can submit. If you want details, visit renewalert.net. You can submit referrals there and see the full referral fee schedule. We also have videos that show exactly how RenewAlert works. I'll put more information in the comments. If you want a simple, legitimate way to make money online by connecting businesses to something they actually need, this is a real opportunity.